So as you can see, the dress is a bit short in the front. It's long in the back, but that doesn't help me. I feel uncomfortable with that much short in the front. So I'm going to cut the back and use the fabric to make it longer. I'll show you how I do it.
Feel like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
I'm going to fold and make a hem so that I'll have the dress all hemmed. Now I'm going to cut the upper side of the dress, and then I'll use this fabric to put in a little strips of fabric so I will have the dress longer.
There's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry.
Okay, so now I have two parts of the front. I'm going to hem all of this, and in the other side, and also on the back. Just hem the dress as if you are finishing the dress, and then we'll figure out what to do with this fabric. Just overlocked it. You don't have to do that if you don't have an overlock machine. You can zigzag cut it, or you can zigzag stitch it, so it will do the same. Prevent fraying. So this is the top of the dress. I overlocked it, but I'm not going to connect both sides yet. I'm going to hem each part separately, like this. Hope you can see it. And then I'll show you what I do with the strap of fabric that I cut.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So it's nice and smooth edges, and now I have the dress almost ready. Almost. So now I'm going to take this fabric that I cut from the back of the dress and use it to create stripes that will go from the front to the back of the front of the dress, and make the dress lower, but make the dress basically sit lower, and therefore adding length to the dress. That's what we're doing here. For me, the most important thing is that I cover the strap of my bra, so I'm going to measure it just so I know how much it should be. It's about 1.5 centimeters. I think I'll go for 2. So if I want 2 centimeter stripes, I want it to be about 5 centimeters, because I want to have a place, 4.5, a place to sew, and then flip it and have 2 centimeters width of stripes. So let's cut. So I'm going to sew from the wrong side and then flip to the right side. So now I have, I think, 2, 4, 6, 8, 4 for each side. I think that's enough. I don't need these other pieces. So I'm going to flip them. I bought this special iron thing that's supposed to flip them. I usually use the safety pin method, but now I'll try this one. So this is what I bought. Got a little hook and it's kind of long. And I think I should enter this, catch the bit of the fabric and then flip it. Will it work? I'm not sure. Come on. It's not working. I think this little piece is broken. Should it have a spring or something? It's too loose. Yes, it's working. Okay, I can remove this. I did it. It worked. Yay! I have a strip now. Okay, that's great. So, isn't it perfect? I'm going to place the part where I sewed from the other side in the middle of the back of the dress. So it will be in the front, it will be in the inside of the dress, so you will not see it. It will be like this. Perfect. So now to flip the others.
My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Last one, that's it. So now that I have all the strips ready and the dress is ready, I'm going to try it on and place the strips with pins so I can measure the location, so I can see the location I want them to be, and then I'll come back to the sewing machine and finish the dress. That's it. Stay tuned. Since I want the stripes to have a clean finish, I'm going to hide these raw edges, and hiding them I can fold and fold again, but then I lose the length and I create a bulk, which I don't like. So I think I will just try to fold it inside. I don't know if you can see it. I'm basically folding it inside, and then I'll push these edges. Okay. It's kind of tricky. You don't want it to get away. If it was larger, it would be easier, but it's not. And so we need to work with it. Okay. I like this. I'll place a pin inside so it will not escape. And then I'll place it right where I want it on the dress, and it will, when I sew over it, it will stick, hopefully. I can already see this dress is turning out really, really nice. And I never even wore it. which was a waist, but now that I changed it, I'm going to use it a lot because it's summery and it looks like a really fun dress. The colors of the sea. It's been a while since I've been in the beach. Okay, so I have all these stripes ready and I'm going to attach them to the dress.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love.
Looks good.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it useful or entertaining, please like and subscribe below to see more of my videos. It's really fun to see the numbers go up and to feel that I'm not alone in this. You guys are watching. I'm not just filming this for myself. I love the dress. I love to hear what you think about it. I'll see you next week. Bye.